Good morning, everyone. Good morning, traders. October 13th, 2010. Andrew Tehako with TnT Group, posting for NakedTrader.com. We saw a lot of news coming out yesterday. We had the FOMC minutes. We had ECB Weber come out and say some things about the Eurozone. And we also had Intel earnings, I believe it was after the bell. To start off, Weber came out, I believe it was right around 11 o'clock, 11:30 yesterday afternoon, and he pretty much said that bond purchases should be completely phased out permanently. He also believes that the policy right now is appropriate for the Eurozone. However, they could lift rates before emergency measures are all pretty much ended. This they hit boons on this, and they also rallied the euro a little bit on it. Going forward with these comments, I think that's kind of the play you have to do. Any chance you get to sell these boons off of a euro pop, anything like that, I think you could be able to play it as that. It still should be bad for the dollar. This euro should continue to creep up on those comments. I said my last webcast that I thought I saw possibly a top in that euro for a medium term sell off. This does not help that out, though. So you might have to nixay what I said in my webcast yesterday just based off these Weber comments. Not sure how much this euro could really react off of it. I don't know how much they're going to take that into consideration, but it should keep a bid to it. Now, the Intel earnings yesterday, there was a slight beat. There's expectations of 50 cents earnings per share. Came out 52 cents. So slight beat there. And then the FOMC came out. They didn't say too much, nothing that I've read so far. I'm going to keep looking into it. I'm going to do a side-by-side on what they said. They did say, though, everything pretty much hinges on the future economy. They also came out and mentioned that they'd like to see Americans kind of expect inflation to be higher in the future, just so they pretty much come out and spend their money now, get rid of it, boost this economy up. It's kind of hard just to be like, hey, Americans, expect this inflation to be higher, go out and spend your money now. We all just went through one of the worst recessions that we'll probably ever see. A lot of people still don't have jobs, so to come out and say that, I think is, tough to do. But that's what they came out and said. So you got to take that as it is. One interesting market I'm taking a look at right now is the copper market. If you look at the chart on a 15-minute, the copper just keeps riding this 20 bar straight up. You can tell it just keeps checking it every single time. We'll get a rally, we'll sell back off into the 20 bar, we'll check it, and we'll rally back up. Haven't really seen too prolonged of a hold below the 20 bar. So if it does get below the 20 bar on a 15-minute chart, it should be interesting to see what it does if it does hold it to the downside. Right now we're, once again sitting right on it. We're a couple ticks below it, so check that out. Watch that. Should be interesting to see if we actually get a few settles below that 20 bar and see what it could really do. Just see if it could hold it and maybe get a push lower. Other than that, once again, I'm looking to sell boons any chance I get with any euro pops. I think just off of that Weber comment, that's kind of the play I'm going to try and look for tonight. That's about it here. Good trading. Andrew Tehako with TnT Group, posting for NakedTrader.com. Thanks.